Okay. Now JDBC. So next 10 days, okay, 10 to 15 days, we are discussing about only JDBC. What is the JDBC? Java database, Java, okay, database connectivity, right? Okay, Java database connectivity. So, sir, if you wanted to connect the database from where? Connect the database from Java application. Java application. Now simply we are using. JDBC. Simple point. Okay. If you want to connect the database from the Java application, use JDBC. Okay. Okay. Just connecting database from the Java application. You are using JDBC. Sir, why JDB? Why we should JDBC? And why this? Uh, database is required while working with application. Without database, can't we develop the application? Hmm? Without database, okay, still I want to develop the application. Possible or not? Yes, possible. In core Java, without database only we develop the applications, right? Yes or no? But really, it is not good. Why? Because small applications, hello world application, first up, simple, examples, okay, class A, class B, system dot out dot println. Yes, we can develop the application without database. But real-time applications are not like hello world applications, right? Real world applications are web application. I want to hold some data, some years of time. For example, like if you take ICICI Bank or one banking application, okay, we have one simple account. Simple requirement. Okay, I want to open account in one bank. If you want to open the account in one bank means okay, we have to fill the form, right? Maybe you filled okay, one form manually, but bank people will fill the same form in through online, right? They entered okay. Okay. Bank people will fill the form through online. Once they fill the form through online, okay, the data will be stored in somewhere, right? If they are not storing the data in somewhere, what will happen? Huh? Can you hold that? See, anyway, when you send the request from the browser, when you send request from the browser, okay, that data is available in the objects. I am sending data from browser. Okay, so one simple. Okay, one minute here. Now I have browser. Okay, from the browser I'm sending data to backend. Okay, so this is assume the database. Now this is application. Now we have n number of fields. Okay, um, uh, m, account holder first name, last name, middle name. Okay, account number they are generating. Then enter information. Okay, PAN card number, like n number of fields. This data anyway when you click the submit button, this data is given to the servlet. In the servlet, we have object. In the servlet anyway we have object. Okay, here yeah, assume that servlet we don't know, right? Okay, servlet means this is server side technology. We have object. Server side technology also normal Java class. But here this data is not available in the permanently. Object data is not available permanently. If you want to maintain this data in the permanently database, what we can do? Yeah, if you want to maintain this data permanently, what we can do? You should use database and store this object data and store this object data in the way like a permanent storage area. That storage area is nothing but like a database. Hmm? That is the reason we are using database to source to store the data. Okay. Now, if you want to store this object information in the database, what you can do? Sir, we have a number of technologies in the market. Those technologies are, we are learning one technology. What is the technology we are learning? Simple technology, okay. Jdbc. Sir, we have Jdbc. Jdbc is used to connect the database, right? Jdbc. Next, then, what is the next? Servlet? No, not servlet. Servlet is used to design the web application. But I am asking is what is the technology to connect the database? Huh?
SQL.
SQL is just that's different. To execute that SQL queries, you are using JDBC. Think. Hmm? You know, you heard about some technologies names, right? Hibernate. Hibernate.
Okay.
What is the use of Hibernate? Again, Hibernate is alternate for JDBC. It is used to connect the database only. Next, JPA, Java Persistence API, again powerful okay, concept, JPA. And IBATs, Top Link, JDO, Spring DAO, Spring ORM, means Spring with Hibernate, Spring with JPA. Sir, really, do we need to learn all these technologies? Okay. Don't feel tension, man. Okay, no need to learn all these technologies. Okay. Better to learn Spring and Hibernate. JPA, IBATs, JDO, all are similar to Hibernate only. Okay. If you know Hibernate, okay, working with JPA, working with IBATs, working with the top link is nothing. Maybe, uh, 1 week or 10 days, okay, somewhat difficult. Okay, after that, okay, you can habituate with JPA, Hibernate, IBATs, and top link. But if you're strong in one ORM, that ORM is Hibernate. These number of technologies you have. But if you want to learn any technology, you should be strong in JDBC. Why? Because all these Hibernate, JPA, IBT, Stoplink, JDO, Spring ORM, DAO, Spring DAO, Spring with Hibernate, Spring with JPA, each and everything, internally, each and every technology internally they used JDBC only. That's why without knowledge in JDBC, you can't understand Hibernate and Spring. That's why what you can do. Okay, 1 minute when again one of our student is asking about link. 1 minute.
No?
Oh, sorry, man. Hello? Hello? Are you able to hear me?
Hello? Yes. Yeah, yeah.
You have a lot of disturbance. Okay, from here. Okay, internet issues. Okay, yeah. JPA, Hibernate, IBT, Stop Link, JDO, Spring DAO, Spring Bottom. This is our technology you have, right? You are learning very basic one. Very basic one. Okay, which one? Hmm? What you are learning? Just you are learning only, huh?
JDBC.
Simple JDBC. Without knowledge in JDBC, without knowledge in JDBC, okay, you can't learn, remaining framework. You can call this one as framework. But in the company, we are not using, in the company, really, we are not using JDBC. In the company, we are not using JDBC. Okay? But still, you should learn. In the company, sir, what we are using? In the company, we are using either Hibernate or JPA or Spring, but not JDBC. Okay? But you should learn JDBC. Why? Because to learn these technologies, JDBC is mandatory. If you're strong in this one, okay, learning this one is nothing. Okay? That's why I'm spending time on JDBC. So if you want to connect the JDBC database from the Java application, use JDBC. Not only JDBC, we have Hibernate, okay, we have Spring, we have, yeah, please be unmute. We have Spring, etc. We have a lot of modules. Okay, so using JDBC, simply we are connecting a database from the Java application. That's it, man. That's a one word answer. Java database connectivity. Using JDBC, we are connecting Java application. We are connecting a database from the Java application. That's it. Okay. Any question here? Next, see, simple points. JDB.
అంటే
Yeah. Tell me.
so
Chetu.
why all these technologies అంటే
Mm-hmm.
is the JDB all these technologies are like implement of JDBC or
No,
are,
actually not implementing JDBC. These technologies, okay, JD Hibernate, JPA, internally it uses JDBC code only. Advanced Java, while writing advanced Java, you are using core Java, right? Yeah,
yeah
in advanced
yes
Java, you
sir
are using core Java code only. You don't know what is the code in core Java, advanced Java. Advanced Java, we are writing, class, keywords, okay, public class, main method. In the main method, I am defining string, variable, int variable, float variable. Yeah, we have different types of code. It is Java code
Hmm.
only. Same. If you open Hibernate code, if you open Spring code, if you open JDO code or top link code, internally the code is JDBC. Internally the code is JDBC. See, JDBC is the main technology to connect the database. If you want to use directly JDBC, lot of complexity. The complexity one we are discussing. Working with JDBC is difficult. Working with Hibernate is very simple. But if you want to know internals of Hibernate, internals of Spring, now somewhat difficult. But coding wise, Hibernate, very simple. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, I don't want to talk about any Hibernate related terms now. Okay. We'll see later. Okay.
okay sir okay yeah
Next, by using JDBC, what you can do? By using JDBC, we are developing a persistence logic. Sir, what is the meaning of persistence logic? So here we have one simple requirement. I want to design one application for bank or application for one company. If you want to design any application, you should design presentation logic. First, you should know what is the meaning of presentation logic. Hmm? Then you should design validation logic. Next, request processing logic. Then business logic. Finally, persistence logic. If you develop all these, logic, so this is nothing but, one application. Presentation. Can you tell me what is the meaning of presentation? We have one simple page. Now, if you open irctc.co.in, everyone knows about this one, Indian people. We have presented, this is one, we are displaying some data in the browser, right? We are seeing some data in the browser. When you type irctc.co.in, this is the UI, right? This UI they designed by using